guys, what's up? Unboxing of the DJI OSMO Mobile 2.
Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Faris. Welcome back. If this is your first time here, please consider to subscribe. I'm gonna do a lot of tech reviews and obviously unboxing videos as well. So yeah, we're gonna unbox the DJI OSMO 2 Mobile. I'm pretty excited, as you can see. I can't wait to open up the box in my car. When we open up the box, in its glory, that's going to be obviously the gimbal. I like it, the fact that DJI puts the gimbal in this nice sort of styrofoam packaging. The packaging as well is pretty useful. Let's say you want to put it in a bag or bring it around with you. As you know, gimbals are pretty sensitive, and thumbs up for DJI for having this kind of packaging for the gimbal. Now, when you charge the device, expect charging it through a micro USB cable. I'm not too sure why DJI didn't go with a USB Type-C cable. Yeah, so that's that. And when you have a look in the side, obviously there's going to be the Osmo itself, the device itself. And the thing that I love about this device at the back, this is pretty awesome as well. There's a USB-A output as well. So basically what this is, you can obviously charge your other mobile devices, example for your smartphone or any other mobile product. DJI claims the battery life on this to be up to 15 hours. That's pretty sick as well, so you don't have to expect charging it for multiple times. And at the bottom of the unit, we have a mount for tripods as well. So it's a universal mount for tripods. The thing that is different from the Osmo 2 than the predecessor, the original Osmo, is you can adjust the setting to be a portrait orientation. So there's a knob at the back of the clamp holding your phone. So when you obviously turn it to the side where you unlock it, you can just turn the orientation to record in portrait mode. So this is pretty useful for those users who want to have a stable footage for their Instagram stories or Snapchat stories as well. So yeah, that's a plus side for that. Inside the box as well, we have the manuals. I don't typically read it. I get too excited, normally just open up the box and start using the device straight away. Let me know in the comments down below whether you guys read this kind of stuff. To get started as well, you're gonna need to download the DJI Go app. For starters, I accidentally downloaded the wrong one. It's a bit confusing because there's two. One is the 4.0 that is specific for all the DJI drones, like most of the DJI drones in the market. However, the other application, which is the normal DJI Go application, that's for this product right over here. It gets a bit confusing, a little too much confusing, but that's alright. So that's about it. Just a quick look and unboxing on the DJI Osmo 2 Mobile. It's a pretty great product. I will be using it in most of my future videos, obviously to keep the footage stable and everything like that, starting out in YouTube. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I really want to know what you guys think about the product. If you're getting it, what you're getting it for, what you're going to use it for, things like that. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this video with the Osmo 2 Mobile. I hope you guys like it. Leave a smash on the like button if you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe for more future videos. The next video I'm gonna do is gonna be about the new iPad Pro. I'll keep you guys posted in my Instagram on the future videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.